the love of the tiger's sister and the pain of the donkey. The open field of the forest, the first meeting of the donkey and the tiger's sister. Donkey, with a smile, with emotion. Oh, I am just a donkey, whose only joy in life is eating grass and hiccups. But today I saw a form that dims the light of the sun. Tiger's sister, the king of the forest. The sparkle in your eyes shook my heart. Am I dreaming, or are you really standing in front of me? Tiger's sister, laughing, in a shy voice. You are absolutely strange. Other animals are afraid to look at me, and you are reading love poems? Donkey, do you know, you make my heart smile? Donkey, eyes getting wet. Everyone thinks I'm stupid, laughs, and mocks me. But in your eyes, I saw my own worth for the first time. If you tell me, I will bring down the stars in the sky, stop the flow of the river. Will you give me that courage, Tiger's sister? Tiger's sister coming closer slowly. In love, the class of animals is not respected, the heart is the only thing that matters. If you really love me, then I will weave dreams with you. The two embrace passionately, the wind in the forest seems to stop. Tiger's palace, Tiger gets the news. Tiger roars, eyes red with anger. What did I hear? A worthless donkey has fallen in love with my sister? Alas, shall I accept this insult? I am the king of the forest, I am a hunter. I know the taste of blood. And the donkey, he is a grass-eating, pond-chopping animal. This unequal love is a shame for the forest. Elephant shakes his head. Your Majesty, does love follow the rules of the forest? Love is born in the tears of the eyes and the trembling of the heart. Tiger rolls his eyes. Shut up, I am the king. My sister will not have relations with any stupid herbivorous animal. If this love lasts, there will be anarchy in the forest. The tiger roars, the forest animals tremble. In the secret forest meeting of the donkey and the tiger's sister. Donkey, with pain in his heart. Listen, my dear, your brother is trying to drive me away with his rope. But what can I do? I cannot live without you. I see your face on every blade of grass. I smell you in every breeze. Tiger's sister, breaking down in tears. Donkey, I cannot live without my brother, nor can I live without you. Why did nature make you so different? You eat grass, my brother eats blood. You are a gentle creature, my brother is a terrible king. Is our love a curse? Donkey, in a tearful voice. No, my dear, it is not a curse. The beauty of love is sacrifice. If I have to leave, I will go. But remember, I will love you forever. Forest meeting, Tiger calls Donkey. Tiger, in a stern voice. Donkey, today I give you one last chance. Leave my sister, otherwise, I will drink every drop of blood in your body. Donkey, voice trembling, yet firm. King Tiger, I am not afraid of dying. But listen, love does not die with a sword, nor does it stop with violence. Love is born in the heart, and lives in the heart. Tiger's sister shouts, Brother, stop. If you love me, then respect my feelings. Tiger sighs. You don't understand, sister. We are different. Donkey smells of grass, I smell of blood. If he comes to my house, our different lifestyles will only bring sorrow. Critical moment, Tiger's sister breaks down in tears. Tiger's sister crying. Why, brother, why did nature separate our fates? I don't want my love to end. I don't want my love to break. Donkey, with wet eyes. No one can disobey the laws of nature. If I stay with you, I will have to fight with your brother every day. Every day the forest dwellers will laugh at you. Our happiness will turn into sorrow. Tiger, slowly in a soft voice. You have shown wisdom, Donkey. Today I understand that you really love my sister. But this love can never take shape in the world. Different lifestyles, different natures, this union is impossible. Donkey with tears in his eyes. Then goodbye, my dear. You will remain the jewel of my heart, but you will not be my life partner. I am leaving the forest. But wherever you are, remember me. Tiger's sister in a broken voice. Donkey, how can I live without you? Will my love remain a sad memory? Donkey, no, this is not sadness. This is a lesson. Love is beautiful, but it cannot last if it goes against the laws of nature. Herbivores and carnivores can never coexist in this world. I have learned to accept that today. The donkey left the forest. The tiger hugged his sister and said, "Don't cry, sister. Nature is harsh, but you have to follow its laws." Tiger's sister looked at the sky. Tears in his eyes, a whisper on his lips. Donkey, even if you are not here, you remain immortal in my heart. Kala Shampadon educational message. If you disobey the laws of nature, a relationship will not last. Love is beautiful, but if it does not match reality, it brings suffering. The union of different lifestyles is impossible, but respect and sacrifice are the true beauty of love.